Hello everyone, welcome to Vision IAS. As we are moving towards 2024, the prelims is just a few months away and the countdown has already begun. As we are moving towards prelims, we are facing a lot of difficulties and questions like how to revise, how to effectively retain the content, how to manage our resources, how to make sure effective practice. And I presume that you are also facing similar kind of doubts. So to address all of your concerns and queries related to the same, I am joined by Ms. Gitika ma'am, who is the faculty at Vision IAS. Welcome ma'am.
Hello, Vishal.
So, ma'am, my first question to you is, as we are moving towards the prelims examination, how this Lakshya Prelims Mentoring Program 2024 will be a game changer for the student, and can you give us a brief overview about this program?
Absolutely. Vishal, the Lakshya Prelims Mentoring Program is an approach towards cracking the Prelims 2024 examination. It is meant for students who have done a basic level of preparation, but who are not sure about their preparation and who feel that their preparation needs to be aligned more with the exam. So the key idea of this program is to provide mentorship to students through continuous assessment, rigorous practice, and overall structure which is customized according to their needs.
Thanks, ma'am. You have provided a brief overview of this particular program. So, as you have included multiple key terms regarding this program, so I wanted to know what are the brief features of this course?
So, Vishal, this program entails a strategic revision program for the students, which includes general studies, CSAT, as well as current affairs. Apart from that, there will be a mentor support system, which will provide group sessions as well as individual sessions to the students. Apart from this, we will also provide access to our resource materials, important resource materials, such as value-added material and QRM. In addition to that, there will be subject-wise strategy sessions, which will include live quizzes and discussions.
Thank you, ma'am. So, as you have talked about strategic plan for revision and practice, so I just wanted to know that how this plan is going to benefit the aspirants for UPSC.
Right, Vishal. So basically, this plan seeks to provide comprehensive coverage of UPSC Prelims syllabus. Often students neglect the CSAT paper, which is a very, very important part of this exam because it requires you to qualify CSAT. So CSAT has been incorporated in this particular module. We have also included general studies. That means we will be covering subject-wise general studies, history, polity, economy, and so on and so forth. Apart from that, we are also including current affairs in this program, not only monthly current affairs, but the entire year's current affairs through Preeti 365.
Thank you, ma'am. So, as I can guess from your conversation regarding this, that this program includes multiple revisions also, right? So, how we are ensuring multiple revisions in across all our plan?
So, multiple revisions is a very, very important aspect of UPSC because no topper would have told you they cracked this exam just by preparing once.
Right.
Multiple revisions are a key ingredient. Now, multiple revisions, for that, we are ensuring that we are conducting one baseline analysis test. And through this baseline analysis test, we are trying to determine what would be the current preparation level. That means what are the strengths and shortcomings of a student's preparation at the start of the program. Thereafter, there will be constant tests, live quizzes. There will be a lot of assessments through mentors and Lakshya Prelims test series.
Right. So, basically what you are trying to tell that in each and every stage of this particular program, we are going to assess student performance also, right? So, the mentor is going to do the same.
So Vision is known for its assessment systems. Our continuous rigorous assessment and innovative assessment systems are in fact the bulwark of every program.
Right. So, ma'am, how we are going to assess performance of a candidate in this program, as this is a very crucial aspect when we come to this preparation for UPSC, specifically in the prelims.
Right. So like I told you, apart from the baseline analysis test where we are judging the current level of preparation of a candidate, we will also be conducting live quizzes in the mentoring sessions. So live quizzes can be also done in individual sessions as well as group sessions. In group sessions, there will be peer-to-peer learning. So for example, a mentor will conduct a live session and there will be other people who will be participating. There and then the mentor will discuss the strategic approach required to answer each and every question. Once that learning is done by the student as to how that question should have been approached, there is a more personalized learning that takes place.
Okay. So, ma'am, as you have referred a lot many times regarding this mentor, so I can guess that mentor is at the center of this particular program. So, what is the role exactly of a mentor in this program?
That's right, Vishal. Look, in every sphere of life, whenever we are we endeavor to achieve something, we want to do something, we always look for a mentor. No person in this world has succeeded ever without having a mentor or a guide. So mentor is an extremely critical part in UPSC preparation. Our mentors are highly experienced and qualified people who are great educationists and have great experience in the field and realm of UPSC.
Right. Okay. So, ma'am, as mentor is playing their role, but we cannot forget this particular aspect that practice is also very important for this particular examination. So, are we offering any specific practice test also to the student to assess their performance at their end, and they will be getting certain kind of feedback based upon the same?
Absolutely. Continuous assessment is a part of this program, which is absolutely important for cracking the prelims paper. Because if you don't know what is lacking in your preparation, it will be difficult to plug the loopholes. That is why continuous assessment is being done through quizzes, is being done through the prelims Lakshya test series and other tests that will be conducted from time to time.
So, ma'am, test series that you have talked about. So, we do have this All India test series also for prelims, right? So, is it going to be overlapping with that particular test series or contradicting that test series? Or it is a kind of like separate that is doing a complementing aspect with the test series?
That's absolutely right. See, no two programs can be contradictory in UPSC preparation because the ultimate goal is to crack the exam. So this particular program will always play a complementary role to the All India Prelims Test Series. While All India Prelims Test Series will focus on the comprehensive coverage of syllabus, Lakshya Prelims Test Series will have a more narrower approach. It will be more strategic in nature, that it will be more customized according to the students' strengths and weaknesses, which is the need of the hour, because one size fits all approach cannot work in UPSC. Everybody needs a customized study plan, and that is what this particular program aims to do.
So, ma'am, we have discussed regarding a lot of aspects of Lakshya. So, now I presume that assessing oneself in offline condition and real exam-like environment is very crucial when it comes specifically for the prelims related things, right? So, my question to you is whether a student come to the Vision IAS center and attempt the test in offline mode, or is this support online only?
No, so Vishal, since the paper is a pen and paper pencil type examination, which requires student to actually fill the OMR sheets in the actual examination, the support that Vision provides is both online and offline. A student who wants to practice in real examination like conditions can come to the center and attempt the paper. However, if due to any circumstantial issue a student is not able to come to the center, they can also attempt the paper in online format.
Okay, so ma'am, considering myself as a student, I can feel that there will be times in this exam preparation, and specifically when it comes closer to the prelims examination, the student will tend to feel low also sometimes. When they are preparing, they might not be feeling like or motivated to appear for this examination, right? So are we providing any kind of support or assistance also when it comes to the support and motivation related aspect? Is it part of this program?
Yes, you are right. The ebbs and flows of this examination are quite pronounced. One tends to feel very demotivated, especially when the exam is approaching near. So, in our program, Lakshya, we are focusing on mentoring students with emotional support, psychological support. Apart from that, we are also helping them interact with toppers, people who have already cleared this exam with flying colors, ex-bureaucrats, and other psychological support that will help them keep their spirits alive.
Okay, that's very good. I think that is a very good initiative by Vision IAS. So, ma'am, my next question, that resources are very key aspect of this program, right? And when it comes to the UPSC preparation, the student generally faces difficulty in terms of managing their resources, right? And in this particular aspect, generally students tend to collect more and more resources, right? So are we providing any kind of material support also, in terms of we are providing some notes or short notes or something like this for the end moment revision, or is it like a program which is providing only mentoring support?
No, we are definitely providing quick revision material, and we're also providing value added materials to students who already have a baseline preparation. But the idea or the key note of this particular program is that one needs to effectively utilize the material that they have already studied. So things like NCRT, standard textbooks, they need to be effectively used to crack this exam, because no matter which topper you talk to, NCRTs and standard textbooks have been done and covered by all of them.
So, ma'am, now you have raised my curiosity that if I want to register for this particular program. So, if I want to register it right now or enroll for this particular program, how I can do that?
You can definitely log on to the Vision IAS website. All the inquiry numbers and all the given details are there. Apart from that, you can also walk into our head office, which is in the Apsara Arcade in Karol Park, and our mentors and our guides will be happy to help you.
Right. So thank you, ma'am. That discussion was very insightful. You have provided a lot of clarity regarding how this particular program is including dedicated mentoring, assessment, and all the other aspect, all the needed support that will be needed for this particular examination preparation. And as you have mentioned regarding the toppers, so the viewers who are viewing us in this particular program, they can also get those flying colors, and then they will be also excelling in this particular program. Also, we are also incorporating, I guess, some kind of technological interventions also apart from dedicated mentoring, so the student can also, I guess, use those.
Yes, absolutely. It is a multi-platform initiative, and it is bridging the gap that is there in the market, where in the market either the emphasis is too much on the standard sources through foundation courses, or there are the test series. So this is probably a bridge course which is helping you go from foundation to your test series.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
So with this, we come to end to this particular session. As initially we had discussed a lot of challenges that you as a student might be facing regarding the prelims of 2024. So with the discussion with ma'am regarding the issues, we now get an idea that how we can align our preparation in general with this particular program, and we can achieve a very good rank in this particular examination, and we will be succeeding with the flying colors. So with this note, I, Vishal Salsekar, want to thank you all to be a patient audience and listening to us carefully. Thank you, everyone.